This is a 9 by 16 permit-free bunkie with a 1-foot overhang. So essentially, this bunkie is 10 feet by 16 feet or 160 square feet. The loft alone is 16 feet by 6 feet. So it is 96 square feet in the loft sleeping area alone. Welcome to Trinity Tiny Homes. We are building the tiny homes of tomorrow today. This is our innovative loft design. You can purchase the do-it-yourself plans from TrinityTinyHomes.ca, or you can also buy our do-it-yourself kits, or if you're in Ontario, Canada, we will deliver this fully built in our Amish sheds, in our Amish farms, and delivered to your property. This cabin comes in do-it-yourself kits or fully built in our Amish workshops and then delivered to your property. All our cabins have your choice of color in steel roof. We can customize your shed any way you'd like it, with more windows, with the double barn doors at both ends of the building. We also put double barn doors at both ends of the building as an option, so you could have a drive-through possibility in your bunkie or storage shed during the winter. Our loft is 6 by 16. That is 96 square feet in the loft alone. Big enough for 2 queen-size mattresses in the loft. This is the retail promotional trailer that we go from retailer to retailer for our dealers, so we can